Today, you will learn how to turn off ScreenTips in Word. ScreenTips are the small information boxes that appear when you hover your mouse pointer over commands on the ribbon. However, some users find them distracting because they cover part of the screen and appear frequently while working. First, look at the top left corner of the Word window and click on the File tab. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down if necessary and click on Options. This opens the Word Options window. Once the Word Options window appears, the General category is usually selected automatically. If it isn't, simply click General from the list on the left side. Now, look for a section called User Interface Options. In this section, you'll find a setting named ScreenTip Style. Next to it, there is a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see different choices available. By default, Microsoft Word uses the option called Show Feature Descriptions in ScreenTips. This means when you place your mouse over a command, Word shows detailed information about that command. Sometimes these ScreenTips can include descriptions, shortcut keys, helpful images, and even links to additional help. If you want a simpler experience, you can choose Don't Show Feature Descriptions in ScreenTips. With this option, the ScreenTips will still appear, but they will only display basic information, such as the command name and sometimes the keyboard shortcut. This reduces clutter while still giving you some guidance. If you want to completely stop ScreenTips from appearing, select Don't Show ScreenTips from the drop-down menu. After choosing your preferred option, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully changed the ScreenTip settings in Word. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.